And other institutions that rely on electronic transactions have to trust the computer systems behind the scenes. New Jersey computer scientists hope to make it easier to develop and test software for trustworthy transactions from banking to voting and beyond. Science and technology correspondent Patrick Regan reports.
When a bank customer uses an automated teller machine, only part of the transaction takes place on the display screen and keypad. Behind the screen, a computer program is trading data and instructions with one or more other software systems. Before this kind of software goes into service, it's vital to make sure that the programmers who created it haven't made mistakes or changes that could, say, divert part of a customer's deposit. Real-time security measures like encryption and digital signatures can't ensure that the underlying software is doing what it's supposed to do.
I think they're complementary approaches, and if you need to do both.
Backed by the National Science Foundation, researchers at the Stevens Institute of Technology and NJIT are working on better tools for checking transaction-oriented software. They're building both the theoretical framework and the practical means to ensure that the right kinds of data will be sent in the right directions and that programs will carry out the right steps in the right order. The basic ideas and techniques these researchers are developing could be used in a very wide range of applications, from electronic banking and voting to medical monitoring or even space exploration. For example, transactions between a planetary rover and its crew on Earth go through intermediate steps, much like steps in a banking transaction.
What you want to make sure is that the information that the rover is using is fresh information. Because if there's a programming mistake that gives the rover old data or the wrong data, you could crash it, it can fall in a hole.
This research might help build confidence in electronic voting technology.
You don't have to convince the experts that things work, but you have to convince the public that is used to using not very reliable software that things work.
Patrick Regan, NJN News, Hoboken.